In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you register or log in to FIFA World Cup Fantasy 2026 for free. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of FIFA. Type in play.fifa.com/fantasy. Once you're on the official website, click on this profile icon given at the top right. Now you will see the option of sign in or sign up. As you want to register for your account, click on sign up. Now you will need to fill in these details. Type in the first name, email address, select your gender, then select your date of birth, likewise country of residence, then select your preferred communication language. After you fill in all these details, click on continue. In the next page, you will be prompted to generate password for your account. Type in that, confirm it. Then you can check in for these options. Agree with the terms and conditions of FIFA. Now click on create account. And just with that, you have registered for a FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.